Have you ever felt a rush of clarity and a boost in mood after a good workout? Why does moving your body seem to clear your mind? Welcome to Guy's Calm Kit, where we explore the power of simple actions to transform our mental and physical health. Today, we are diving into how physical exercise is not just about building muscles or endurance. It's also a key to unlocking profound mental clarity and emotional wellness. Stay with us as we uncover the fascinating connections between a healthy body and a sharp mind, and how regular physical activity can become your secret weapon against mental fog and stress. Whether you are a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this video will show you why getting active might just be the best thing you can do for your brain. Let's get started. Let's dive into the science of how physical exercise benefits our brains. When we engage in physical activity, our heart rate increases and so does the blood flow throughout our body, including to our brain. This enhanced circulation brings more oxygen and vital nutrients to our brain cells, which is crucial for optimal brain function. This increased blood flow helps to improve cognitive functions such as memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. It also elevates our mood, making us feel more energetic and alert. Ever felt that mental boost after a brisk walk or a jog? That's your brain on exercise. But there is more to it. Exercise also stimulates the release of several key neurochemicals that play a role in our mental health. Endorphins, often known as feel-good hormones, are released during a physical activity. These natural mood lifters help alleviate stress and promote a sense of well-being, leading to clearer thinking and reduced feelings of anxiety. Other important neurochemicals like dopamine, which is linked to reward and motivation, and serotonin, which regulates mood, are also boosted through exercise. This chemical cocktail not only helps us feel happier, but also sharpens our minds and helps us maintain mental clarity. So, by keeping active, you are not just working out your body, you are also giving your brain a much-needed boost, helping clear the mental fog and enhance your day-to-day clarity. Now that we understand the powerful link between exercise and enhanced brain function, let's explore the types of physical activities that can specifically boost your mental clarity. Whether you prefer the tranquility of yoga, the intensity of aerobic workouts, or the strength building of resistance training, each form of exercise contributes uniquely to clearing your mind and elevating your mental sharpness. In this session, we will break down how each of these exercise modalities not only supports your physical health, but also acts as a catalyst for mental rejuvenation. From calming yoga flows that align your body and mind, to heart-pumping aerobics that refresh your cognitive functions, and strength training that fortifies your mental resilience, there is a workout to suit every preference and lifestyle. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each exercise type, giving you actionable tips and insights on how to integrate them into your routine for maximum mental clarity. Let's start with yoga, a practice renowned not just for its physical benefits, but also for its profound impact on mental health. Yoga uniquely combines physical movements with breathing exercises and meditation, creating a holistic approach to wellness that significantly reduces stress and enhances mental focus. Through its various postures and controlled breathwork, yoga helps in calming the mind and sharpening concentration. Each pose is designed to build strength and flexibility, while the breathing techniques increase lung capacity and stimulate the relaxation response in your brain. Let's go through a few simple poses you can try at home to start your day with mental clarity. First, the mountain pose, which grounds you and helps you find balance. Stand straight with your feet together and arms at your sides, breathing deeply and focusing on your balance. Next is the tree pose, great for improving your focus and alertness. Stand on one leg, place the other foot on your inner thigh, and balance. Bring your hands together in front of your chest or raise them above your head. Finally, the seated forward bend. Excellent for calming the mind and stretching the back. Sit with your legs extended, breathe in, and as you exhale, bend forward from your hips, reaching for your toes. Incorporating these poses into your daily routine can help reduce tension and promote a state of mental clarity. As you hold each pose, focus on your breath and allow the stillness to center your mind. Moving on to aerobic exercises, which are fantastic for boosting both your heart rate and your brain health. Activities like running, cycling, and swimming are not only excellent for building cardiovascular endurance, but also for enhancing mental alertness. As you engage in these dynamic activities, your heart pumps faster, increasing blood flow to your brain. This elevated circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients, which can improve cognitive functions and help clear your mind. But how can you fit aerobic exercises into a busy schedule? It's simpler than you might think. Here are a few tips to incorporate short, effective aerobic sessions into your daily routine. First, consider integrating exercise into your commute. Cycling to work or parking farther away so you can walk part of the distance is a great start. You can also use lunch breaks for a quick jog or a brisk walk. If outdoor activities aren't feasible, a short session on a stationary bike or a treadmill at home or at a gym can be just as effective. Aim for at least 30 minutes of aerobic exercise most days of the week. Even breaking it into 2 15-minute sessions can be beneficial. Remember, the goal is to get moving and increase your heart rate. These activities not only boost your physical fitness but also sharpen your mental focus. So, lace up your sneakers and give your brain the boost it deserves. Next, let's talk about strength training, an often overlooked but crucial component of mental clarity. While it's well known for its ability to enhance muscle health, strength training also plays a significant role in improving brain health. Engaging in regular strength training sessions can enhance your executive functions, which include skills like problem solving, planning, and decision making. This is because lifting weights or performing resistance exercises requires focus, coordination, and critical thinking, stimulating neural growth and improving brain function. But how can you incorporate strength training into your routine, especially if you are tight on time or don't have much equipment? Here are a few simple exercises you can start with right in your own home. First, try bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups. These classics require no equipment and effectively build strength. Begin with sets of 10 and increase as you build endurance and strength. Next, if you have dumbbells or resistance bands, incorporate biceps curls and triceps extensions. These exercises help build arm strength and also engage your core, which improves overall stability and brain health. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of planks. Holding a plank position for even a few seconds can strengthen your core, arm, and legs, and the concentration required helps enhance mental clarity. Remember, the key to benefiting from strength training is consistency. Aim to include these exercises in your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Strength training not only sculpts your body but also fortifies your mind. Start incorporating these simple routines into your week and watch as your mental clarity improves alongside your physical strength. Now that we've explored different types of exercises to enhance mental clarity, let's discuss how you can practically incorporate these activities into your daily life. Developing a consistent exercise routine is key to reaping both the physical and mental health benefits. Start by creating a routine that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Look at your weekly schedule and identify time slots that consistently work best for physical activity. It could be early mornings before work, lunch breaks, or evening sessions. Consistency is crucial, so choose time when you know you can commit regularly. Next, let's talk about setting realistic goals. It's important to set targets that are achievable and aligned with your current fitness level. If you are just starting out, aim for shorter, more frequent sessions, perhaps 20 minutes of aerobic exercise 3 times a week, and gradually increase the duration and intensity as your stamina improves. Remember, the goal isn't just to challenge your body, but to enhance your mental clarity. Overdoing it can lead to burnout and injury, which can set you back both physically and mentally. Listen to your body and adjust your goals as needed. Incorporate variety into your routine to keep things interesting and cover all aspects of fitness, from yoga for flexibility and mental focus to aerobic exercises for cardiovascular health and strength training for muscle and brain health. This diversity will not only keep you engaged, but also ensure all areas of fitness and mental clarity are addressed. By taking these steps to create a balanced and realistic exercise routine, you are setting yourself up for success. You will not only feel stronger and more energized, but also notice significant improvements in your mental clarity and overall well-being. We've explored how various exercises can sharpen your mind and enhance clarity. But now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite type of exercise and how has it impacted your mental clarity? Drop a comment below to share your experiences and any tips you might have. Your insight could greatly benefit someone else in our community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more valuable health and wellness content, and don't forget to share this with friends or family who might also benefit from these tips. Together, we can build a community focused on enhancing mental and physical well-being. To recap, incorporating regular physical exercise into your routine isn't just about staying fit. It's about clearing your mind and boosting your mental clarity. From the calming flows of yoga to the energizing pace of aerobic workouts, each activity brings unique benefits to your cognitive health. I encourage you to take the steps we discussed today and start or continue your journey towards enhanced mental clarity. Remember, every bit of movement counts towards a clearer, more focused mind. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our mental clarity playlist for more insights. Just click the link below in the description or the pop-up at the top right of this video. Keep moving, stay clear, and take control of your wellness journey. See you on the next video. Much love.